Did you know that 80% of people live paycheck to paycheck, struggling to find financial peace? However, there's a less traveled path, a journey toward financial freedom and wealth creation that begins with determination and savvy strategies. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to achieve financial freedom, even on a tight budget. We'll teach you how to create a budget that feels like a game plan, increase your income without exhausting yourself, and turn your savings into a growing asset that works for you even while you sleep. But that's just the beginning. We'll explore free resources that make managing your finances easier, how to build a credit history that opens doors, and much more. Let's get started if you're ready to break free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck and start building true wealth. 1. Introduction to financial freedom. Financial freedom is about making your money work for you instead of you working for it. The key to starting this journey is understanding that financial freedom is a choice. Regardless of your current financial situation, the power to change it lies within you. Every great achievement starts with seemingly insignificant actions. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest men on the planet, began his journey by saving pennies. He bought his first stock at age 11 with money he earned selling gum and soda. This teaches us a crucial lesson. It's not about how much money you start with, but making smart decisions with the money you have. Buffett's story is a testament to the power of starting small and being persistent. The small, everyday decisions you make can set the foundation for your financial future. 2. The power of starting small. Starting small is where the magic happens. It's easy to think you need a large sum of money to make a difference in your financial future. In reality, the foundation of wealth can be built with just a few dollars saved every day. According to a study by Fidelity Investments, people who consistently saved a few dollars daily in a retirement account saw their wealth grow significantly over 30 years, thanks to the power of compound interest. Albert Einstein supposedly called compound interest the most powerful force in the universe. To harness this power, track every penny you spend for a month. You'll be surprised at how much you can save by eliminating unnecessary expenses. This isn't about deprivation, but making smarter decisions aligned with your financial freedom goals. Consider starting with something as simple as bringing your lunch to work or making coffee at home instead of buying it. These small savings can add up over time and can be the seed money for your investments. 3. The basics of saving and investing. Saving and investing are the yin and yang of financial security and growth. While saving provides a safety net, investing propels you forward, turning your saved money into a workforce that works for you. Don't underestimate the power of compound interest. Even small, regular investments can grow into substantial sums over time. The key to successful investing is starting early and staying consistent. It's not about timing the market or chasing high returns without considering risk, but adopting a balanced and informed approach to steadily growing your wealth. Diversification protects you from market volatility and ensures your investments have the opportunity to grow in different economic conditions. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can mitigate risks and smooth out returns over time. 4. Understanding your current financial situation. Knowing where you stand financially is the first step toward financial freedom. It might seem daunting, but it's quite straightforward. Start by listing all your assets, what you own, and liabilities, what you owe. This will give you your net worth. The goal isn't to discourage you if the number is negative, but to use it as a starting point for improvement. Budgeting isn't about constraining yourself. It's about enabling the things that excite you. Harvard professor and U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren suggests that a budget helps control your spending, ensuring you're investing in your future rather than just spending for today. According to a Bankrate survey, only 41% of people budget their finances, yet budgeting is one of the most basic and effective tools for managing finances. By being part of the minority that budgets, you're already ahead in the game. 5. Creating a powerful budget. Creating a budget is much like planning a trip. It's about knowing your starting point, understanding the terrain ahead, and navigating toward your destination, which, in this case, is financial freedom. Surprisingly, many people avoid budgeting, possibly seeing it as a limitation rather than an empowering tool. However, those who embrace budgeting often discover not only clarity about their financial health, but also opportunities to save, invest, and spend wisely. The trick to a powerful budget isn't in complex spreadsheets or tracking every penny to exhaustion. It's about setting realistic goals, distinguishing between wants and needs, and allowing yourself the flexibility to adjust as life happens. Many people find that once they start tracking their expenses, they uncover hidden leaks in their finances. Small recurring expenses that go unnoticed but cumulatively drain significant resources. 6. Leveraging free resources and tools. In today's digital age, the amount of free financial education and tools available is staggering, yet underutilized. Many people don't realize they have a wealth of information at their fingertips capable of transforming their financial health without costing a penny. From budgeting apps that connect directly to your bank account, providing real-time spending analysis, to YouTube channels, podcasts, and blogs brimming with financial wisdom from experts and ordinary people, there's no shortage of resources. These tools are accessible whether you're a student just starting out, a young professional looking to get ahead, or someone further along in life seeking to change their financial trajectory. Start exploring and experimenting to find what resonates with you and your financial goals. Websites like Mint, Personal Capital, and You Need a Budget, and NAB offer free or low-cost solutions that can make managing your finances easier and more efficient. 7. Boosting your income. Increasing your income is a powerful strategy for building wealth. It's not just about working harder, but also working smarter. The work landscape has changed dramatically, with more opportunities than ever to earn outside of traditional employment. Side hustles, freelancing, and passive income sources offer paths to boosting your earnings tailored to different skills, interests, and time commitments. Increasing your income directly impacts your ability to save, invest, and reach financial goals more quickly. Consider opportunities like freelance writing, graphic design, tutoring, or even starting a small online business. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Etsy provide avenues for turning your skills and hobbies into additional income streams. By diversifying your income sources, you can create a more stable financial foundation and accelerate your path to financial freedom. 8. Building and maintaining good credit. Credit is a powerful tool in your financial arsenal, but is often misunderstood. A good credit score can be the difference between getting a loan approved or denied, and can significantly impact the interest rates offered to you. However, many are unaware of how credit scores are calculated or how to improve them. Building good credit involves paying bills on time, understanding your credit utilization rate, knowing the types of credit in your name, and the length of your credit history. Simple steps like regularly checking your credit report for errors and using a credit card responsibly can make a big difference over time. Your credit score can affect everything from your ability to rent an apartment to the cost of your car insurance. By understanding how credit works and taking steps to build and maintain a good credit score, you can open doors to better financial opportunities. That wraps up our video for today. If you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching until the end, and we'll see you in the next video.